What's up, guys? We're back here with the Piper. It's been a little bit while since I posted up any videos, but weather's been kind of crappy. Looks like we got a storm rolling in here. You guys can see the flags blowing like nuts. But I guess we're gonna give it a go. We're at a quarter flap. Got the Admiral 3700 shoved up right before the two straps. It's a little bit forward. This thing I'll just take right off here. Let me see. Yeah, it's really getting windy, but we'll give it a shot anyways, guys. So here we go. She's going to pull right off my little runway here. There we go. Woo, there she goes. Yeah, she's fighting me now. And that wind is blowing like nuts. Here we go. And this morning it was really nice, but I couldn't get out here. She just wants to float. Hope everybody out there is doing good. Nothing new going on with me. Still haven't got out my P47 or the jet. I haven't had a chance. The weather. We're right about the middle of September right now. Oh, that was a little bit nervous. Ooh. I gotta name this video Ride in the Storm, I guess. Ride in the Storm out. Yeah, she's just... Come on. Really blowing around. I don't know what the wind speed is. It's gotta be like maybe 15. I'm not sure. It seems like it's always windy out here for me. I've been flying this thing a little bit inverted, getting a little bit more gutsy, I guess. Woo. Come on, baby. You know, I'm really trying to keep it close, but it's kind of hard right now with this wind. Now I'll blow it up a little bit in the editing software. Looks like a big storm's going to be blowing in. Don't want to lose the plane. Woo. I'll probably have to force it down to land it. Unless the wind gives up a little bit. But that don't look like it's happening. Construction going on here by my house. It kind of sucks. So what are you gonna do, right? Woo. And I can't believe this. This plane, flying in the wind is not really that much fun. I mean, it's like looking at this kind of wind is crazy. It's like, come on, it's blowing it all over the place. You know, as soon as I come out here comes the wind. Same old out here, because you know I'm by this farmer's field. Whew. But it seems like I fly in the wind all the time. getting toward the end of summer here. Well, actually is the end of summer. Which, winter for me sucks, you know. I can't really get outside, being in the wheelchair and stuff like that. So I do a lot in the simulator. Woo! Don't you blow out of here, baby. God, I don't even know when to put it down. Doesn't look like it's gonna let up. No flaps for sure on landing on this one. Someone say as long as your plane's not blowing backwards, it's okay to fly it on the runway. Ooh, really rocking. Here comes the sun, so maybe that's going to die down a little bit. Should find out. No such luck. Higher and ride it out. I don't know what to do here. Try to force it down. I'll get a second. Let's see if she'll drop it. I'm just pushing it down. Pushing it down. Come on, don't come on down, come on. Alright. Woo! Oh man, that was nerve-wracking, guys. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get any more in. Through this grass. A lot of guys are breaking their nose wheel scissors. A little piece of plastic underneath the scissor mechanism. A lot of guys been snapping. It's a weak part, and in order to get a new one, you have to order a whole new fuselage. But I was reading on the RC forums that they're going to make that part separate. So I had to glue mine because when I had that CG shift, that's when mine broke and then slammed down. But hot glue's been holding up good. Alright guys, thanks for watching.